Ezra here again with another do-it-yourself video. Today we're going to be building a RetroPie. We're going to go ahead and need to download the image from the RetroPie website. I'll provide a link to the website below in the description. Once you download the image, you're going to need to download another utility called Win32 Disk Imager. Go ahead and select the drive for your SD card. You can confirm the SD card by going to Disk Management and then scrolling down until you find the card in your Disk Manager. Go ahead and select the Raspberry Pi image and go ahead and write that sucker. Do note that the writing process will wipe whatever is on the SD card, so make sure whatever you have on there is backed up. Alright, the write is complete. Now we're going to go ahead and put together the Raspberry Pi. As you can see, I have my classic controller from Buffalo, a Raspberry Pi case, and my Raspberry Pi. Here we have our imaged SD card ready to go. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and pry off the top of the Raspberry Pi case. We're going to go ahead and place the rubber feet onto the case to prevent it from sliding around. Alright, we're going to go ahead and open the Raspberry Pi and remove it from its packaging. To install the board, remove the side panels. Then gently place the board onto the stops built into the case. No screws are required for assembly. Go ahead and replace the panels. They should just clip right in.
That's good.
With the panels on, go ahead and reinstall the Raspberry Pi lid. Again, screwless case, so just go ahead and snap it back together. Go ahead and install the micro SD card that we imaged in the previous video. And there you have it. Everything is put together and we're ready to hook it up. As you can see, there is a micro USB, HDMI, Ethernet, and USB connectors. Alright, with our SD card installed, we're going to connect this to our HDMI monitor and also give it some power. With the power installed, you'll see that the Raspberry Pi lights up. Moving over to the screen, we can see the Raspberry Pi booting its operating system. Doesn't see any controllers, so we're going to go ahead and hook up our classic controller. With the controller connected, press and hold a button on the controller and it'll detect it. Now, following the directions on the screen, go ahead and assign the keys to the controller. If you reach a key that your controller does not have, press and hold the key on your controller to skip that key. Repeat until you get to the OK below. And that's it, your RetroPie is good to go. Thanks for watching and good luck!